Welcome to third standard social class video session. In today's session, we are going to learn about our helpers. Let us go into the session. In this session, we are going to learn more information about community helpers. Let us continue the conversation between Samudra and her mother. Samudra, what building is this? Mother, this building is built to extend the market. Samudra, how long it is? Mother, it is built so to protect people and traders from sunshine and rainfall. The person who gives structure and design to the building is called an engineer. Samudra, does an engineer design a house? Mother, yes, of course. He designs houses, schools, colleges, bridges, multi-story buildings, temples, settlements, shops, factories, etc. Buildings are constructed using a plan and made by an engineer. Samudra, oh, I see, Ma. Why are we going through this mud path? This is not our regular route. Mother, repair work is going on in our usual tar road. Samudra, are these roads laid for us? Mother, yes, of course, for us. The road are laid by road workers to make travel easy for the pedestrians and the vehicles. Oh, Samudra, look at the either side of this way. Samudra, why, Ma? What is special? Don't you think the green fields are beautiful? Samudra, yes, they are. Who are the people walking here? Mother, they are farmers. It is because of them that we are getting food and we remain happy. Activity, let us find. Solve the puzzle. You can hear my ding dong before I come. Lives are saved, properties are protected from fire. Who am I? Answer, fire engine. The second one, I keep people safe. I protect our community from crime. I make sure people follow the rules. Who am I? Yes, he's a police. Third one, I toil, which means hard work in the soil. I plow to sow so that mud could give us food. Who am I? Is the answer, farmer. Let us continue the conversation. Samudra, Ma, can you see that bus? Mother, yes, bus is one of our transport service. Like firefighters, farmers, engineers, the service of drivers and conductors are also very valuable. They are the people who carry out the transport service efficiently. Samudra, Ma, can you hear an unusual alarm somewhere near? Mother, yes, that is the siren of the police. Samudra, why police? Is something wrong? Mother, this is the usual visit of the police during the evening in the market. They come here to discipline the crowd as it is higher at this hour. They protect people, their properties, and make sure all the rules and regulations are followed by all. Samudra, Ma, Mother, what? Samudra, you once said that our neighborhood Anna is serving in the border. What does it mean? Mother, he serves in the Indian border as a soldier, fighting to protect the people of our country from invaders. There are many soldiers who defend the country, sacrificing their own lives and families. These soldiers together form the army of the defense force. Let us know, children, he is Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. He formed the Indian National Army. Samudra. Now I remember. Our teacher told about the army yesterday in the class. Mother. Samudra, do you know that the service of a teacher is a noble service that enlighten us with knowledge, values, and helps people to become good citizens? We have come to the main road. Hold my arm. Activity. Who am I? Fill in the following blanks. I stitches clothes. I am a tailor. I paint a wall. I am a painter. I repair the pipes and taps. I am a plumber. I guard houses and people. I am a watchman. I repair the electrical appliances. I am a electrician. Samudra. Ma, who is standing in the middle of the road? Mother. Oh, he is traffic police. Samudra. Why is he standing there? Mother. His work is very important because he controls the vehicles coming from all the sides, and thus he directs the vehicle and protects the pedestrians. Samudra. Ma, look at the gigantic building over there. What building is that? That is the court. Samudra. Court? What's that? Mother. Here, all the problems are solved as per the laws of our country. Judges help in giving justice to the people in various cases. They protect our rights. Samudra. Ma, now I understand that all these people whom we came across today are working for us. I feel very proud of them. Let us know. Supreme Court is the guardian of the Constitution. Mother. Samudra, what would you like to become? Samudra. I too have a wish. I want to study well and seek a good job. At the same time, I would look after our garden and fields with care. Mother, at last we have reached our home. Please open the door. Let us recap. Our friends like teachers, doctor, engineer, police are working for us. Firefighters save people and properties from fire. An engineer gives structure to the building. The roads are laid by the road workers. We are getting food from farmers. Soldiers protect our country. We should be proud of the people who serve us and our country. I hope you got more information about our helpers. Thank you, students. Have a nice day.